Hello, we will be learning about comments today.
Are we going to learn next? Okay, very easy, very simple, and this is nothing but comments. Okay, so comments, what do you know about comments? See, comments are nothing but it is more of like you can say, this is for guiding the okay, somebody who's a non-coder who doesn't know coding, and if he has to understand that what actually is written over here, so this is something which guides that okay, what you have to do. See, suppose I say that in the paragraph I have written I like ice cream, right? So this is where my paragraph ends, right? This is where my paragraph ends. Now what do I have to do is I want to tell you this I like ice cream. This is my favorite dish. So how will I do is I will put this, then there will be an exclamation mark, then you have 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you see it turned to gray? Gray means that this will not be displayed in the preview area. It is just for your understanding that what am I trying to say here. Somebody who doesn't know what is body, what is H2, what is paragraph. So for their understanding we write it like this. Plus I close it here. So can you see, did it make any difference? Now if I have to write a text in between, what will you do is after the two what do you say, underscores, you have to write. See, so suppose I will say this is my favorite dish. Alright, now I refresh and save. Do you see any difference? No difference. Why? Because this is like I'm telling them that this is my favorite. I have written I like ice cream, so this is my favorite dish. Or if I have to tell them ki okay, heading 2, I will say this, then exclamation mark, then I will write like this, and then I will say this is the heading of the say paragraph. So we will do it like this. So see, there's no difference in the preview area, but somebody who's reading, like somebody who doesn't know coding, you can directly ask them, okay, don't read all of it, only the gray things you go and read. So he will understand, okay, this is the heading of the paragraph, I like ice cream, oh, this is your favorite dish, and so on. So comments are also very easy. So when you write big codes, complicated codes, comments are the ones which actually guide the non-coders that what exactly is written over here. Okay, so that's all, and we'll meet in the next section.
Thank you for watching and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Please press on the bell icon to get the latest notification.